Ready when you are.
Hello, my name is Edgar and I'm with
B drywalls.
CC Drywall. There you go. And I'm here to explain you the function of everything in the door. First off, we're gonna start with what locks it. It's just a regular normal one. It opens from the inside only, and the outside it will not open. This is secure because this is a warehouse, so that's how the client wanted it. The only way to access is by having the key. Next up, we're gonna have the closer. The closer main function is to automatically close the door when you come in or out. You don't need to do any modifications on it unless you're replacing the door. If you are replacing it, there are instructions that show you inside of the closer what you had to move to make it work properly. Next up, we have the drain grip. The main function of that is in case the weather is too harsh, it's too rainy, and it will cover the top of the door so water will not leak inside the door and damage it over time. The next one is the door sweep. This provides the same function as a drain grip in case water is running. It will make a seal again against the door and the threshold, so that way water will not go inside the building. The threshold, as you can see too, it has a rubber that when this door closes, it makes like a complete seal with a weather strip. So basically, it's to keep the water out. The other function of the weather strip would be, keeping the climate change. Like right here is gonna be cold and that side is gonna be hot. What this is gonna do is lock the cold inside and keep the warm out. That's what it's gonna do. Other than that, you have that's about it.
Yeah, I think
that's about it.
Thank you so much.